You're so cute, Linky. It's my cat, Linky.
Okay, Linky's all of our cats.
It's my cat. This is my family cat, Linky. He's pretty chubby, right? He's pretty cute. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. He's like pretty like chubby, like he's pretty cute. He just lays everywhere, like yeah. He's so cute because he just so fluffy. He usually likes like laying some areas, like sometimes he goes to a quiet area and he just lays down. Like he's very cute.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. See, right here, like he's like pretty cute. His behind his ear, like it's like very cute. It's like a bump right there. Oh, dang. That was bad. Okay. See? He's pretty cute. He has his whiskers, which are long. Okay, bye.
Bye.